Hello my friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul for you today. As you can tell on the table, I have the fairy gnome garden figurine set. So this is something that I have wanted to have for a couple of years now. They've put it out a couple of different years. I'm not sure if it's the same stuff or different things, but they've had it for a couple of years now, and I wanted to purchase it but haven't really had a place to put it. And since I've recently moved and now I have a little area, I have like a little back porch and a little front porch, not really front porch, like a front entrance outside, and I thought it would just be really cute to have kind of like plants and stuff out there with this little gnome garden. So I'm really excited that I was able to get my hands on it and find it. And I did purchase pretty much everything I could. I left a couple of things here and there, but I mean, I got all of the different things that I wanted, is what I'm trying to say. So let's just dive in and show you. And then I also have some Valentine's Day stuff that I want to show you as well. And then some just a little bit of home household stuff. All right, so this is kind of the fairy collection. So I got this little upside down flower one, which I think is really cute with the purple door. And then this one is a flat back one, so it goes up against the wall to make it look like there's like a little fairy entrance into your house. And then this one is the carrot. I love the carrot one. I think this one is really cute. I love the little shingles on the roof. And then the little, this one is, it looks like a stone with like moss on top. And then this one is the tulip one. And it's interesting because the back of the tulips actually look better than the front of the tulip. So, and it's got this big black spot, but it's the only one they had, so I just grabbed it. And then I also bought the little box of flowers. Really cute. I love that one is facing this way and then the other one's facing that way. And then this has, they have a little like fenced in area with some little, I keep saying little, fenced in area with the like fuzzy yard. And so two of these actually do fit on here. Pretty cute, because then you could do, and then I got the little backyard, or the little set. Oh, my hair's on there. I got the little set of table and chairs, and I thought that would be really cute in the back of the, like the back of the house kind of thing. And then there's like little signs and the little light post, and then the mushrooms. I love the mushrooms. And then of course you have to get the fairies to go in the fairy garden. So I got the little fairies. And then to go along with all of that, I also picked up 3 containers of the planter containers in this really pretty teal color. So I found a planter that's like a 3-tiered planter at Big Lots, and I thought that would be really nice. So I just needed to measure the area to see if it would fit in the area that I'm thinking about putting it in. So once I do that, I'm going to go back and probably get that from Big Lots. I also purchased this reindeer moss just to kind of put around the different areas, and then also just this floral moss as well. Then I also bought the little sweet one as well. Now I'm pretty sure there's another house that goes with this collection, but it wasn't there. So I got these 2. And I thought these would be really cute for Valentine's Day. I don't typically decorate for Valentine's Day, but I am having some friends over like around that time, not necessarily on Valentine's Day, but around that time. So I thought it would be cute to kind of just decorate a little bit. And I thought it would be nice to do kind of like a sweets theme. You know, like get candy hearts and all that kind of stuff. So hopefully I can do that. Hopefully I can get some stuff more candy themed Valentine's Day stuff. So this is like a little, I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's like a clothesline or like a little like banner thing. I don't know, but I got it. I don't know. And then this has like the little topiaries. And then I love this one with the little strawberry, the little soda ice cream sodas. And then this one's got the little welcome sign and then the other two little signs. So I am really excited to have these pieces in my life, and I actually have somewhere to put them. So I'm happy about that. Let's go ahead and look at what I got for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to hold these bells so they don't jingle. I have bells on my front door right now for Christmas, and I really like it. It really is. I love the sound of the bells going in and out when I'm leaving the house and coming back in. So I thought it would be nice to have one for Valentine's Day. So I got this little door hanger thingy, and it's got different, the bells kind of hang in different areas or different lengths, and it's got little kisses on the ribbon, which I think is cute. And then I got one of these sets of like wood veneer hearts. I like that they have like all different, like some of them are glittered, some of them are painted, some of them are solid. I really like that. And then I got this wreath. Now I'm not going to use this wreath as a wreath. I'm going to be placing this on a round table that I have. That's kind of like a side table that I have next to my couch. So I'm going to place that there. And I was thinking maybe I could put like a candle in the middle or something like that. So that's what I'm going to do with this piece. Then I got a couple of signs. This little ball keeps falling off, but it goes right back in. I just need to glue it. Anyway, so I got this sign. It says follow your heart. It's a nice big sign. Like, it's a good, you know, I mean, here's my hand. You can tell it's like pretty big size. And then this one says love every moment. Hope I can find that little ball that fell off the sign. And then I also got this one. I love it because it's got gold foiling on it. And then it's also got the glitter. And the glitter, of course, is getting everywhere. It's literally getting all over. But that's really cute. And then I picked up the bag. This bag. I love this bag. Cheap Crafty Girl, or Crafty Girl, I should say. She hauled it. And I'm like, oh, I really want that bag. And then I do love the handmade cards. They're at Dollar Tree, but it didn't, I didn't need that many. I don't need Valentine's Day cards. So I did pick up a couple for my son. So I picked up this one because it says to my special son on Valentine's Day, and I like the headphones. He's not really on his mobile phone that much, but that's okay. And then I got this one. It says I love you to the moon and back, and that's something that I say to my son a lot. I know it's like a mama bear, like a mom and a papa bear on the cover, but whatever. But I do say that often to him. I love you to the moon and back. And then, of course, it says that on the inside. And then I recently hauled that I got a paper pack from Michael's. It was like a star and moon kind of like paper pack. And I thought this would be really cute to do this for like one of the February layouts in my Happy Planner, is to use this card and that paper to kind of do a little planner layout. I did pick up this as well for a potential Valentine's Day spread. I probably have enough Valentine's Day stickers, but I haven't looked at my stash. And I like it because it's like subtle. It's not too like in your face Valentine's Day. So yeah, I got that too. And then on the lines of the same stickers, I also picked up these two stickers. This sticker I got for a St. Patrick's Day theme. And then I just got these stickers to go with these. I just picked up a couple of their Easter stuff so far. I need to go through my box and see what I have for Easter before I start buying Easter stuff. But I did pick up these ones because I really think these are really cute. So I got 2 sets of these, and then I also bought a set of the Spring Bunny Welcome little galvanized signs. I'm really excited that they did this, because now I'm thinking maybe they'll do it for all the other holidays. Like, that would be really cool if there was like a Valentine's Day one and like a, yeah. So I'm thinking about putting these in with the garden, the fairy garden. I think that would be cute to have some fairy lights. And the area that I am potentially putting it in is totally covered, so it's not like going to get rained on or anything, because these are definitely not like, well, it says floral garden, so maybe they are outdoor. Oh, it says for indoor use only, but it's a floral garden. Interesting. So yeah, they're for indoor use only, but the area that I'm using is not going to get rained on at all. It's like totally 100% covered. Okay, and then I also picked up these little signs. I thought those were so cute. One says blessed and one says home, if you can't read already what it says. I also picked up a pitcher. My mom has been over to my house several times, and she makes iced tea and I don't have a pitcher. So I said, I'm gonna adult today and I'm gonna buy a pitcher. So I bought a pitcher. I also bought a thing of these erasers. I really like these. I love it when there's a bonus pack. So I bought one of those. I got a calendar, and this one has all like the scriptures and floral. It's really pretty. And then I bought one of these little tray things. This was on my Dollar Tree list to buy. Now that I have it in my house, do I remember why I put it on the list? Nope. I do remember that I specifically put it on the list for a specific reason that now I cannot remember. But when I do remember, I will have it. I also bought this. I'm so excited that I found this little home sign. I just think this is really cute. Bargain Bethany had hauled this, and I was like, I have to have that sign. So I'm really excited that I found that. And another exciting thing that I found were these like little cutting board things. So I have this lemon. I'm pretty sure these are all of them, because the box is completely full. So I don't think I was missing. I think that these are all the designs. A little apple, and then a strawberry. And I bought 2 strawberries because I'm going to keep one for myself, and then I'm actually going to give this whole set to my mom. And they have little knives with covers on them. And yeah, the other thing that I bought for my mom were these little wire brushes. She had said she was looking for them. She had bought them and wanted to rebuy them, and she couldn't find them. So she said, be on the lookout. So I was on the lookout, and I found them for her. I also bought tissue. Wow. And then I also bought the Valentine's Day stuff. I bought 6 packs of these little cute cups for that little Valentine's Day get together that I'm having. I found these storage bag containers. I'm so excited about the storage container. I have already started using it. Okay, I'm gonna just confess something to you guys. I am typically not one of those people that take everything off the rack. Like, if there's something really cool, like, I usually leave at least 2 or 3. I mean, usually I leave a lot more than that, but if there's like 3 of them, I will just take one. I have a confession. I took every single clear one they had. They still had a lot of the red ones and a lot of the blue ones. So if there were a teacher that wanted to come in and get these, they could get the blue and the red ones. But I needed the clear ones in my life. And I literally bought all of them off the shelf, grabbed them all in 2 different Dollar Trees. So yeah. And I have reorganized my stickers already. I did it the day I got them. Yesterday when I came home, I'm like, I'm going to reorganize my stickers right now. And yeah. So, and it works great because it's 11 by 8. It's an 11 by 8 container. So it's a really good size. I love that it's flat, which means that it stacks really nicely on top of each other. And in my space, they look like they're perfect. They go in the spaces that I have them in, and if I find any more, I'm going to grab them. And I'm hoping, since they're the teaching tree, that they'll have them like consistently now. Hopefully. And the very final thing that I'm going to share with you today that I bought are these round puzzles. I bought one recently and did it on one of my days off a couple weeks ago. And I really enjoyed it. It was just fun. It's just 350 pieces. You can get it done in one sitting. It's like, boom, done. And it's a really fun, interesting puzzle because it's circular. So the pieces are kind of interesting and funky. So, all right. That's my Dollar Tree haul, people. That's it. I did it. Make sure I got everything. Yep, I got it all. All right. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again real soon. Bye for now.